What's up everyone, Jossie here, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you some insight into a realistic week for me as a front-end developer. I know you all really like the realistic morning routine video, so I figured this would be something that interests you as well. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. I just had to catch up on some emails. I don't always respond to emails on my iPad or send emails out using my iPad. I usually use it as just a device to kind of catch up on emails that I can simply go to the Gmail app and sort through anything I haven't responded to or things that are more urgent. Not being able to see our friends as much as we'd like to, whether they're across the country or just because quarantining, and I think it's important to spend time, whether it's FaceTime or Zoom, and just chat with the homies. So I'm about to have a conversation with my Yuko just to talk about some career stuff, some life stuff. So yeah. I'm trying to be better at preparing for my videos and stuff. This video, I want to take a moment to talk about the sponsor of this video, Audible. You all know that I've been trying to read more often and more consistently just because it's important to read. Honestly, I feel my most creative when I'm just sitting down and reading a book without any distractions. However, as a full-time software developer, along with making content on YouTube, I don't always have that time to just unwind and read books. But I do have a lot of time where I can listen to audiobooks, and that's where Audible comes into play. The first book I downloaded was Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins. Goggins is a person that has really inspired me over the past few years with his incredible fitness journey and incredible mental toughness. I'm really excited to listen to this title and definitely recommend it to anyone that is trying to better themselves or have gone through tough things in life. Audible also offers thousands of podcast titles, guided wellness programs, comedy exclusives, and more. With Audible, there's no excuse not to learn something new or achieve personal goals. Thank you to Audible for sponsoring this video. New Audible members get a 30-day free trial. Visit audible.com/Jossie. It's this link and will also be linked in the description box, or text Jossie to 500-500 to try Audible today. The rest of Tuesday was pretty chill. I started diving more into the code and I only had one meeting. So for this type of web development, it's really just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Pretty simple. The only part that's complex is the animations to make the display ads interactive and stand out on whatever page they're being served to. It's actually kind of cool working on display ads from time to time. All right, it's Wednesday and I'm about to make some lunch. Definitely did more programming today, as you can see from some of the like voiceover stuff that I talked about and B-roll segments. So yeah, it's the middle of the week. I actually feel really for the Audible B-roll, and actually need to clean up the area since I'm Friday, and I'm about to speak at this developer tech conference the Howard University is putting on. So I'm part of the tech influencer panel, so that should be really fun. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps with the algorithm, and subscribe for more content like this. Stay blessed. Peace.
Stimulus check, won't you cash app that?